There are hotels, and then there are hotels. All hotels are not made equal. The world is home to some of the most incredible hotels that redefine opulence and take hospitality to a whole new level. From the remote island resorts that offer a secluded paradise, to the towering skyscrapers that boast astonishing city views, these hotels are so breathtaking that it will blow your mind. Here are 10 of the most incredible hotels in the world. Number 10. Kruger Shilati, South Africa. Get ready for a journey like no other as you immerse yourself in the awe-inspiring wonder of Kruger Shilati. Brace yourself for an adventure that will take your breath away as you step aboard a vintage train that has been reborn as a luxurious haven in the heart of Kruger National Park. Surrounded by the untamed wilderness and perched on a bridge overlooking the majestic Save River, this one-of-a-kind hotel offers a feast for the senses. Indulge in the lavish comfort of elegantly styled cabins that harken back to the golden age of rail travel. With every meticulous detail taken care of, from the sumptuous bedding to the mesmerizing views, you'll find yourself in a world of pure opulence and beauty. By day, revel in the thrilling excitement of guided game drives, bushwalks, and birdwatching excursions. And by night, be lulled into a state of blissful relaxation as you listen to the tranquil sounds of the African bush. All from the comfort of your luxurious cabin. Kruger Shilati is more than just a hotel. It's a life-altering experience that will leave an indelible mark on your soul. Number 9. The Chetty and Mat, Switzerland. Experience the majesty of the Swiss Alps and the shimmering crystal-clear lakes below at the Chetty and Mat, where nature's awe-inspiring wonder awaits. Allow yourself to be swept away by the grandeur of snow-covered peaks that reach for the heavens, enveloping you in a world of luxury and elegance. The minimalist decor and sleek lines of the stunning hotel create a sense of calm and tranquility, making it a true gem nestled in the heart of the mountains. Discover world-class amenities such as Michelin-starred restaurants, a world-class spa, and a range of outdoor activities like skiing, snowboarding, and hiking. Prepare to be enchanted by the Chetty and Mat and its breathtaking experience that will leave you yearning for more. Number 8. Aman Tokyo, Japan. You will be engulfed by a world of pure serenity and undisturbed harmony when you step inside the lavish sanctuary that is Aman Tokyo. This luxurious hotel, nestled amidst the vibrant metropolis of Tokyo, offers a haven of tranquility where guests can escape the hustle and bustle of the city and unwind in a peaceful oasis. Renowned for its minimalist design, the hotel exudes an air of stillness and serenity with its clean lines, muted color palette, and traditional Japanese elements. Here, visitors can indulge in a range of world-class facilities, including a spa, fitness center, and Michelin-starred restaurants, all while luxuriating in the opulent surroundings of their spacious rooms or suites, where stunning vistas of the cityscape await. Amidst the frenetic energy of one of the world's busiest cities lies a breathtaking haven of peace and calm, the enchanting Aman Tokyo. Number 7. Ice Hotel, Sweden. Think you've seen it all? Think again. This exquisite hotel is crafted entirely out of snow and ice and situated near the Arctic Circle. Each year, the hotel undergoes a remarkable transformation with brand new designs that leave even the most seasoned guests in awe. The hotel boasts an array of rooms and suites, each designed with sophistication and adorned with exquisite sculptures crafted by artists from across the globe. Imagine spending the night in an ice room, wrapped in a cozy sleeping bag and lying on soft reindeer hides while taking in the stunning surroundings. For those who crave excitement, the hotel offers winter sports such as dog sledding, snowmobiling, and even ice carving lessons. A one-of-a-kind experience that will leave you spellbound. Number 6. Suniva Fushi, Maldives. Imagine being whisked away to a paradise where luxury and sustainability coexist in perfect harmony. Where each moment is filled with awe-inspiring natural beauty and unique experiences that you'll cherish for a lifetime. Suniva Fushi is a private island resort in the Maldives that provides visitors with the most idyllic tropical experience possible. This is because of its location on the unspoiled Bar Atoll. The resort features a collection of individual villas and houses, each of which comes equipped with a swimming pool, an outdoor shower, and direct beach access. Visitors to the resort have the option of indulging in delectable cuisine at any one of the resort's numerous restaurants, unwinding in the resort spa, or participating in a variety of water activities such as diving, snorkeling, or paddleboarding. Suniva Fushi also provides its visitors with the option to watch movies under the stars in the resort's open-air theatre, dine in a restaurant that is built inside of a treehouse, and discover the island's distinct wildlife. Number 5. Giraffe Manor, Kenya. Giraffe Manor in Kenya is a beautiful place set in the middle of a 140-acre forest. Here, guests can interact with the free-roaming giraffes that live there. The manor house was built in the 1930s and since has been lovingly restored. Each of the 12 rooms and suites has its own unique features, like 4-poster beds, antique furniture, and stunning views of the Ngong Hills. Guests can have a leisurely breakfast while the giraffes poke their heads through the windows, or spend an afternoon feeding them from the manor's balcony. There are also guided walks through the forest around the property and trips to an elephant orphanage nearby. Number 4. La Mamunya, Marrakesh, Morocco. Nestled within the heart of the bustling city of Marrakesh, La Mamunya is a true oasis of luxury and tranquility. This iconic hotel has been a landmark of Moroccan hospitality since 1923, welcoming guests from all around the world to its opulent surroundings. The architecture is a mix of traditional Moroccan design and Art Deco style, creating a unique and enchanting ambiance that's hard to forget. The lush gardens surrounding the hotel are a true marvel, featuring blooming roses, orange groves, and palm trees. Guests can also take a dip in the stunning swimming pool or indulge in a relaxing spa treatment. La Mamunya is not only a hotel, but it's a destination within itself, where every corner is a new discovery. Number 3. Hotel Ashkarat, Mexico. The Hotel Ashkarat is a genuine eco-friendly sanctuary that can be found hidden away in the thick woods of the Riviera Maya. The hotel was built to fit seamlessly within its natural surroundings. This gives guests an experience that they'll never forget. Every room has either a balcony or a patio with a breathtaking view of the tropical forest or the aquamarine waters of the Caribbean. The hotel has a spa, multiple swimming pools, and more than 10 restaurants that serve traditional Mexican food. Visitors have the opportunity to go visit the nearby Ashkarat Eco-Archaeological Park, where they may go snorkeling in underground rivers, learn about Mexico's rich history and culture, and visit a pavilion dedicated to butterflies. Number 2. Anantara Golden Triangle, Thailand. The Anantara Golden Triangle is the perfect place to go to get away from the hustle and bustle of city life, hidden away in the verdant forests of northern Thailand. The rich cultural history of the area was the inspiration for the hotel's beautiful architecture and design, which creates a calm and peaceful atmosphere for guests. Both the standard rooms and the suites have been tastefully decorated with art and furniture from Thailand. Just as spectacular are the hotel's amenities, which include a breathtaking infinity pool, a spa, and multiple dining options, including traditional Thai cuisine. In addition, guests get the opportunity to interact with elephants at the hotel's elephant camp, which allows them to feed, wash, and even ride these docile creatures. Number 1. The Maraca Maldives. Here you can find the Maraca, a beautiful architectural wonder that is underwater in the Maldives. This hotel has some very nice rooms, including an underwater suite where guests can spend the night in the middle of the Indian Ocean's thriving marine life. The suite is intended to provide guests with an experience that is genuinely immersive, and it features panoramic views of the coral reefs and the animals that live there. A private infinity pool and direct access to the azure waters below make the overwater villa at this hotel just as breathtaking as the rest of the property. The Maraca isn't simply a hotel. Rather, it is a genuine work of art in which visitors can partake in the pinnacle of luxurious living experiences.